Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to safely delete an administrator account in Windows 11, whether it's a local or Microsoft-linked one. Let's get right into it. First, before we touch anything, back up important data from the account you're planning to delete. Open this PC from your desktop or Start menu. Double-click on Local Disk C. Navigate to the Users folder. Click on the folder with the username of the account you're deleting. Inside, you'll see folders like Downloads, Pictures, Documents. Copy the ones you need to an external drive, cloud storage, or another safe spot. This quick step prevents any regrets later. To delete an admin account, you need to be signed in with another administrator account. If you don't have one, let's create it now. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Click on Accounts in the left sidebar. Select Family and Other Users or Other Users, depending on your setup. Click Add Account. If it prompts for a Microsoft sign-in, choose I don't have this person's sign-in information to set up a local account instead. Then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Fill in the username field with something simple like New Admin. Enter a strong password, then re-enter it to confirm. You'll also set up security questions in case you forget the password. Pick ones you can remember easily, like your first pet's name. This adds an extra layer of protection. Once the account is created, click on it in the list and select Change Account Type. Set it to Administrator to give it full permissions. Now, press Windows key plus L to lock your screen and switch users. Select the new administrator account and sign in with the password you just set. You might see a privacy settings screen. Click Accept to proceed and get to the desktop. With the new admin account active, let's sign out the old one properly. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Go to the Users tab. Right-click the old administrator account and select Sign Off. This ensures no processes are running in the background. Now head back to Settings. Click Accounts, then Other Users. Find the old administrator account in the list, click on it, and select Remove. A prompt will ask if you're sure about deleting the account and its data. Click Delete Account and Data to confirm. Windows will handle the rest, and the account will be gone. To double-check, go back to Other Users. The old account should no longer appear. You've successfully removed it without any issues. Hey, if this guide is helping you manage your Windows 11 accounts without a hitch, smash that subscribe button and join the Passionate About Tech community. It's free, and you'll get more practical tips to keep your tech running smoothly. If you encounter any prompts or errors, make sure you're online and try restarting your PC. Drop a comment below with how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay passionate about tech.